What's up, my good people? Welcome to another video in looking into problems. Today we're gonna looking at Samsung A03 core, latest version, October 2023. All the visions from October 2023. Okay, let's go. As usual, we're going to start.
Yeah, I was saying, dude, like more than anything now.
Okay, so let's try our old vision. Okay. Alright, on my connected Wi-Fi, I press my icon, settings icon, and then we come to QR code. From QR code, nearby share, and select need help sharing. And then select your three dots and share article. It says no apps can perform this action. Press sleep and wake up. Now select Google Go, use without account, done. Alright, and see home, and then select settings, and then press on privacy policy. From there, let's press FRP bypass. .com. There we go. Let's test FRP. Let's open it in browser to take us to Chrome. Alright, thank you. Now let's try to open settings. Doesn't open settings. Alright, let's open set lock screen, and then let's set our pattern, confirm, no, and again. Screen lock again. Again. Yes, it is done. Got it. So I put pattern 3 times, and when it gave me a setting error, I didn't say close up, I just pressed on the side and then I went back again. So let's see now I need to put the pattern. Alright, now let's go back. Alright, let's go on start, then next. Alright, let's go. Do not copy. Now let's put our password that we just forced it in. Skip. Okay guys, that's how you bypass A03 core. This is the latest method. The one that you used to do 2 months back is no longer working. So this is the latest one. Thank you guys, thank you for your support. We are almost 1,000 subscribers. Let's keep on pushing guys, let's keep on pushing. We're almost 1,000 subscribers. We are almost 1,000 subscribers. Okay. Right. Android 12. So this is the new Android 12 method. Thank you for watching. Ta-da!